Alright, let's jump straight in. Have you ever looked at a robot and wondered, how does that thing actually work? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm breaking down the secrets of robots, and trust me, it's not as complicated as it looks. First things first, what is a robot? Simply put, a robot is a machine capable of carrying out a series of actions automatically. Some robots are designed to look like humans, others like animals, and some just look like, well, boxes on wheels. But at their core, all robots share three main parts: sensors, a brain, and motors. Let's start with sensors. Imagine you're playing football. You use your eyes to see the ball, your ears to hear the whistle, and your skin to feel if it's raining. Sensors are like a robot's senses. They help robots detect things in their environment, like distance, light, sound, or even temperature. Next up, the brain. Officially, it's called a controller, but it works just like our brain. It takes information from the sensors, thinks about it, well, processes it, and then decides what to do next. For example, if a sensor tells a robot vacuum it's about to bump into a wall, the brain says, "Whoa, time to turn." And finally, motors. These are the muscles of the robot. The controller sends instructions to the motors, telling the wheels to turn, the arms to lift, or the head to swivel. Put it all together, and you've got a machine that can interact with the world, all on its own. But you might be thinking, okay, but how do you actually build one? Here's the cool part. You don't need a PhD or a fancy lab. There are loads of kits and online tutorials to help you get started. All you need is a bit of curiosity and the willingness to tinker. So why are robots such a big deal in STEM? Because they're everywhere. From self-driving cars and delivery drones to surgical robots and Mars rovers, learning how they work opens up a world of opportunities. Whether you want to invent something new or solve real-world problems, the best way to learn is by doing. So why not grab a basic robotics kit, mess around with some code, and see what you can create? Remember, every robotics expert started somewhere, usually with a few failed experiments and a lot of questions. Alright, that's your crash course in how robots work. If you're curious and ready to dive deeper, hit that like button and subscribe for more STEM tips. Who knows, the next big robotics breakthrough could start with you.